Hi friends, welcome to my channel TSJ Space SS. I'm Sanjeev. I'm disgusted by the decision of state and central governments to increase the cost of alcohol and also the cost of petrol and diesel. We cannot control our thirst for liquor and so is ready to pay any price. If we have the spine to control our mad thirst for alcohol, we can boycott alcohol consumption altogether. However, the sad part is we have no control. And so the government is milking us to the best of their ability in these corona times. So I say in utter disappointment, just go ahead and credit your thirst for alcohol, which has remained undercashed and debited for the last 43 days. Your liver and kidney be damned. The increase in price of diesel by way of high taxes will actually translate into increased price of everything. We enjoyed 6 months of free electricity, free water, free bus ride for women as far as Delhi is concerned, and now it's time to pay up. Government at Delhi is helping the poor, stranded migrants, auto drivers, battery rickshaw operators. But what about those who are unemployed? Same is the story of most states in India. To increase the price of petrol and diesel when the international crude prices are at all-time low seems like a joke and a horror story. When companies are shutting down, business are at all-time low, crores of people losing their jobs in India. What is the purpose of giving freebies when you have no funds? Is this Robinhood economics when you are taxing those who can pay and then helping those who need it? Those who can pay are not only the rich or the super rich, but also the lower middle class and the middle class. These lower middle class and the middle class are just above the people who you actually classify as poor. Can the government leave a kind thought for this class of people too? Some of these are in jobs who they may lose tomorrow. And after accounting for different EMIs and last year's taxes which are still to be paid, they are now faced with the predicament of again increasing prices of all types of goods and commodities due to the increase in the price of diesel. There seems to be a competition between the central and state governments as to who can tax the people more. Over 70 years, no alternative to alcohol taxes have ever been thought of. Now we realize that. Now the corona pandemic has exposed the government policy making since independence of India. Many a decade has been wasted, and now we can only cry in helplessness and despair. I pray for the good sense to prevail in our leadership in the states of India and also the central government. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Wish you all the best and I pray to God for safety of all our fellow brothers. Thank you very much.